The fuck is that? I don't want that on my face.
Okay.
I don't want it.
Open your eye.
It's like a...
It's an eyelash
Have you ever
killer.
seen the film Hostel?
It's an
They
eyelash
use those.
killer. It's an eyelash killer. Don't be a pussy bitch. Open your eye.
No, I don't like it. Contour.
Contour.
This one.
That's eyeshadow, not contour.
Lashes, is that French?
Lashes.
Lashes. They all look the same.
They're not the same. See?
Yeah, they all look the same. Love those ones.
They're not the same.
Do I need this bum egg?
Yeah.
Okay, all set.
Is that it?
Yeah. Alright, so what goes first? Or shall I tell you what I think goes first?
What do you think goes first?
Where's the butt brush? Okay.
The butt brush.
So this goes into this.
No.
No?
I'm not supposed to tell you, but I'm going to tell you straight away.
No? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which brush do you think you use to do this?
Setting powder.
Yeah.
This one.
Those?
Yeah. You can tell by the colour. Wasn't that one, obviously.
That's tinted.
Oh. Doesn't look right to me. Eyebrows. So that's a pencil, right?
No.
Because you meant to give you eyebrows where you don't actually have eyebrows. That's what girls do, don't they?
Oh my god, what are you doing?
I'm doing a wing!
Okay.
Got rid of teeth.
Oh no.
Sorry. I'll just have to do, wouldn't it?
You've literally made me into the Joker.
It doesn't look too bad, actually. You ready to look?
Just some lipstick in my teeth.
Fuck, my beard! What? What's wrong with it?
Oh, you were supposed to go on my face.
Yeah, it's just for comedy's sake. I don't believe in Nazis.
Oh, okay.
What's wrong with it?
Okay.
I think it looks good.
You did a good job.
Did I? The lipstick could do work, make be better.
Okay, herpes.
The fuck is that? I don't want that on my face.
Ready?
No.
It doesn't hurt.
It's a natural. I don't want him up. I want him to stay with it. Why is it my eye now? Oh, you fuck me now, haven't you?
Don't be such a pussy bitch.
There's something in my eye.
There's nothing in your eye.
I can't stop blinking now.
You ready?
You fuck me now. I can't see out of this eye. There's something in my eye, Katrin.
There's nothing in your eye.
Well, I feel like there is.
Just keep blinking. Okay, you're fine.
No, it's not. I can feel it.
Are you ready? Do you want to go close up and look?
Oh, yeah.
Do you like it?
Oh my. Just gonna sort my hair out here.
Look at me. Why do you look like Emma Willis?
Oh, well, I do. I do look like Emma Lewis. Oh, nice. She tweet this to Emma Willis. Say hi, it's your
Why do those-
doppelganger.
Why do those eyelashes suit you better than they suit
I
me?
know. I look good. I should become one of these drag queens.
You could do it.
I could do it. I could be good. I think I'm gay now.